Okay, so at some point you are going to run out of space in your FreeNAS server and you want to add more space into your server. At that point, you want to add a new hard drive into the system. So today's video is going to be on that topic.
Okay, I'm going to put this new Western Digital Red 4 TB hard drive into my system here. This is going to be my expanded storage for my FreeNAS drive. So this thing will go down here. This thing has two ports. You need the power port and you need the SATA port. So I have the power port here, and there is a SATA port inside this right there. So let's go and see if we can do this. You put this drive into this place, and then we're going to plug it. Like this. There you go. So now the drive is ready for me.
Okay, so now that the hard drive is installed into the server, let's log into the FreeNAS server. And here, go to the storage, go to disk, and you can see here you have this unused NAS drive that we just installed into our system, which is 3.6 terabyte. Yeah, that's disappointing. I just installed 4 terabytes of space, but anyways, so what you're gonna do is click here, go to legacy web interface, then go to storage. If you click on the volume manager, now here you can click on if you want to extend your current pool, or if you have a volume that you already created, you can extend it using your new hardware. So here I have a FreeNAS that I already installed with 1.5 terabytes. I'm not going to do that because the drives that are installed are 2.5 inches, which are laptop hard drives. It's not a good idea to combine a 3.5 inch desktop hard drive with 2.5 inch laptop hard drive. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new pool which is called FreeNAS 2. Then you click on available disks. Here I have this 4 terabytes, so you can see here this is there's only one disk, so you can get only one. You can use Stripe. There are other types of system that you can use, but I'm going to use Stripe. And then just click on add volume. Okay, then there you go. If you see here, I already have this FreeNAS 2, which is 1.5 terabyte. This is now ready to be used for, whatever things you want to do with the extra space. And this is how you create extra space for your server and use this space to store your files or content. So okay, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.